Because they will judge. We have the panels of judges. Guys, we profit. Remember, we have to achieve usability. So she has to tell us how comfortable she is. That is user's experience. Remember when you're doing research, you have to collect data. If it is good for them or bad for them. Remember that. But not until they wear it before we can know how comfortable they are in it. And then she will be able to tell us what to adjust and what not to adjust. Remember that? Can you remember that? Because we don't know, she has not given us a feedback. So it's only present this one. This is a form of testing. This is not the final product. This is a prototype. So we must hear from her what she thinks about what she is wearing. Does she like it? What can we amend? What can we do better? So when you design, you don't just say, this is what I have, that is final. You don't do that. It's a gradual process. So this is a prototype that she has tested, and in the testing process, we have to get feedback from her. Okay, so this is another person. That's person. Okay, wow, this is another person. Guys, what do you think about this? Relax. Stay. Don't worry. Stay. Just stay by it. Guys, he's still going to give us a feedback as to what he thinks. Okay, so look nice for the camera. Just nice, like that. Yes. Put your hands. Don't worry. Nice. Smile. Don't worry. Smile. Come on. Smile. So let's go back. Okay, so you can sit down here. We're going to now get the feedback from them. Okay, so you start. Okay. Yeah, relax. So now guys. So sit down. So we have 3 testers. Remember when you are using user's design, user's experience. In user's experience, when you have a design, for every design, you will need 3 to 4 testers. So we already have 3 testers using user's what? Experience. Relax. So in user's experience now, when you have 3 testers, you can start by collecting your information, your data from them. What do they think about your design? How is your design? Is your design expandable? Can you further turn this prototype into a profitable adventure? Or should you have to stop it and move in another direction? But not until you get to this stage where everything is testable, you cannot move forward. It's impossible. Even for your website. Okay, this Capella Patterns is also a website and an application, just like what you have. But what they have now, the coffee cup, the shoe, whatever they have, can become a product you can even start marketing here. Or using Facebook to collect people's opinion about this product, which is also under research. So your user's experience will allow you to get a prototype that you can start your creative journey with. These are the prototypes that we have now. And they are unique to us because we are moving with the theme of nature. Which is the purple theme. We are moving with that. Apple was moving with nature with the apple theme. We were moving with the theme of nature, which is wealthy, healthy, being. So now, each of them will come now and tell us what we can do to make it better. You guys too can tell us what we can do to make it better. So you will have 1 minute to tell us how you feel. Okay? Okay. Oh yeah, guys, let's collect users. What is this called? Users experience. So it's like a research now. You are collecting raw data. You are collecting raw information from them. Okay, let's go. The first person. Guys, keep quiet. So tell us now. Tell us what you think. I'm loud so that we can hear you. Tell us what you think, what we can do better, what we can do better with our prototype, do you feel comfortable? Tell us what you feel.
Okay, the clothes is nice. I like design, but it's too thick and it's like very stylish.
Okay, so guys, can you hear that now? That is what we call feedback. Can you see now? That feedback will allow you to now search for a better material. Can you see now? So for her now, she says she likes the design, but that the material is too starchy. So we need to get a better material. So thank you very much. Go and sit down. So she's going to have a 10 marks.
Now, I hope that the rest can.
Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Okay, next. So come here and address the class. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Can you hear the feedback? She loves the design. Hear the feedback. Other users explain. She loves the design, which is our prototype. She loves the design. The design is not the problem now. The design is okay with the two feedback. But she said the short picker is too what? It's too above the knee. So we need to work on the next set of design to be maybe like knee or above, I mean, below the knee, right? So, but she said she loved the design. So clap for her. Let's see that. Our last guy. So we have two Western. Now we're going to hear from the African. Just sit down first. We'll conclude soon. So tell us what you think. Wait. Tell us what you think. Hold on. Don't change yet. Speak out loud so that they can hear you.
It's comfortable and it feels nice and traditional.
So you like it?
Yes, I like it.
And do you think it's original?
Yes.
Can you wear something like this? If we had measured you and everything, can you wear it to an event? Yes. So this is very good feedback, guys. This is a very good feedback. He is not even complaining. He said he loved the design and that it's original. So everybody clap for our original. So what we're going to do now? Guys, what we're going to do now? The three of you, please come here. Let's vote for the best, the person that you think appeared best. There's a gift for it.
Vote for Rachel.
So I'm going to facilitate it. Please come closer. So out of 1 to 10, what do you think he has in his look?
10.
Huh?
10.
If you believe it's 10, raise up your hand. Majority of the class. Okay. Now, guys, where's it now? Out of 1 to 10, what do you like about this? Out of 1 to 10. 10. Raise up your hand. 10. Okay. Okay, for her, if you believe it's a 10, raise up your hand. Okay, sit down. Okay, now, guys, we've come to a very good conclusion. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to summarize this. You see, last semester in the Omega semester, after semester, remember those who wore the thing I gave them out? How many of you remember that? The slippers and everything. Yes. That is our culture in this class. And we've never stopped doing that because we cannot have creativity without what? Without ability to do what? To make people smile. The first miracle that you can do, the cheapest miracle you can do is to make somebody smile. How many of you know that? If you believe that, give this class a clap of hands. So we're going to put a smile on somebody's face. And to put a smile on somebody's face, I'm going to choose her because she's the person that has the lesser votes. She's going to go with what she's wearing. Because she can wear it in this environment. Yes, she can wear it. It's a long sleeve. It's allowed in this environment. Under usability, you can use this in this environment, right? So she's the only one that will be going with it. And with that, where is the handkerchief? Where is the handkerchief? So you have your own. promoting the what? The brand. You are also promoting the what? The team. You understand what I'm saying? So that is the idea. And remember now, it's better to be a giver than to be a receiver. That's what that's trying to say. Now, also, you will see that by the time we go into our EDS day, we have to create something for our design. So I'm looking at us doing some coffee cup. I'm looking at us doing some t-shirts. So in our practical today, you guys I brought envelope as usual, but it's not everybody that will do it. We will break it to group. So it will be a group thing. And you can come up with anything you want us to translate to a print, either as a t-shirt or as a coffee cup. Do you understand? So I will pick the team. Our video team, please come. I will have to facilitate to put you guys. We have our 2 boxes here already. So remember, whatever you are doing, we translate to a product. So if you need tools here, so you guys are with them. That one thing there, you are with them there. I brought purple leaf. If you want to do purple leaf, there are some smaller purple there. If you want to do that, no, it's not so much. Yes. But don't take everything. Just take what you need. Take what you need. Okay, guys, let me stop this.